This 2022 Grand Design Transcend 231 RK is for sale today at Beckley's RVs. Starting inside, you'll immediately notice your theater seating. Across from this is your booth-style dinette. Moving further into the back, we find your bathroom between the two ends of the trailer. In your master bedroom is a 60 by 80 inch queen bed. Returning to the front, you'll find your kitchen. Here you have a sink, a 3-burner gas cooktop with an oven and a range hood, a convection microwave, and a fridge. For more information on this unit, visit our website, links in the description, or shoot us a call and visit us today. We'd love to be your RV dealer. Welcome to the family.